Alrighty, now that we got some sort of thing figured out here, we did go ahead and pick up two of these Pinegreen LED shop lights from Menards. I can put a link down below in the description. It's not an affiliate link. I don't get any money for it, but that's okay because I got the lights, right? But which one did we pick up? We picked up the 14,500 lumen, 46 inch. So let's get those out of the box. Well, we'll get one out of the box. We don't need to see both of them, right? About 3. 2 for this room. It's a pretty long room. Alright, so we got the nice pretty light out of the box. Now we need to figure out how to hang it. And that should be fairly easy. Just got to figure out where I want to hang it. We'll be back with you here in a minute. Alright, now for some quick measurements. I've determined that this is probably the best place to put the light. However, I don't want to put it on this beam because I will definitely hit my head. If I stand here and stand straight, I'm actually hitting my head on this beam. So I got to put it up a little bit. We're going to go on this side of it because there's a lot of length to this room. But I did some measurements to make sure that this was going to work placement wise for what I'm going to do. Anyway, you're going to take out if you're going into the wood, you're going to take out your 2 eye hooks. They're not really eye hooks, they're just hooks. And it says, the instructions say to do all this crazy stuff. Anyway, you're going to find the middle of the room, right? Just try to find that as best you can. You can measure it and all that, but I'm gonna finish this room, and that's why I need the light. So placement right now doesn't matter to me. Anyway, I'm gonna hold it up there, make sure she's somewhat centered, and we will try to figure out where we want the first hook to go. And I think my first hook is going to go. And it doesn't line up with the boards on top. That's why I need to finish the room. I got no board up there to put it into. So we're going to put it right into this one here. Because that's what we have available to us. Maybe I should have pre-drilled a hole first. Pre-drill a hole first. We'll be back when that's done. Alright, with those somewhat in, take your little chain, hang your chain on the hook. Woohoo! I can put those back up in a little bit higher. We're just kind of hanging it here for now. And of course, another thing you can do is you can fold these chains over so that it's not too horrible for you. Alright, so you got these 2 little hooky things. Kind of weird, right? Anyway, I don't know how you're supposed to put it in there, but I'm just going to fish it through and kind of let it hang. I'm going to do that for both of them. Now it's got other little hooks on this to put the light on. But for now, that's going to be way too low. That's going to be way too low. No. We'll have to adjust this later. That's okay though. Right now we're just going to slide that through one of those. Raise that light up just a little bit more for me. We're going to need it probably a little higher than that. Probably going to need it a little higher than that. Just make sure you get it the same height on both of those. From there, I want my cord over here because that's where the light is, or the the makeshift plug. So my cord's got to be over here because if I put it over there, it ain't gonna do me any good. Anyway, there's two little hook holes here, right there and there. Two little hook holes here, there and there. The one in the middle, is for a different type of installation for it, and that's not what we're doing. So we are going to hook this in here. Just slide it in through the side, put the hooks up and through, and then just kind of hold it as you go, right? Well, now, like I said, this isn't going to be exact center for the room, but it'll be good enough for getting us started on getting this room done. Let's plug her in. Oh, take the film off the light before you plug her in. Oh. Look at that. That sure brightened this place up quite a bit. Woo-wee. Now I can get the other one in. Wow, that's bright. Woo! Man, if I'd have put that in the center of the room, I would probably only need, I'd probably still need 2. I thought about getting 4 for here. 4 would be too much. Room's probably, I don't know, 30 foot by 6 foot. It's the old coal room where they would the truck would come up, back up to the window over there, put the chute out, and they would just shovel the coal down here for the coal furnace. So that's what the room was designed for. And well, we don't have a coal furnace, so that ain't no good to me.